Hey guys, you're tuning into Paul Maths Labs today, and today we're going to be doing expanding double brackets. Ooh, expanding double brackets. What are we going to do? This is going to be so hard. Actually, I won't write it there. I'll write it in the middle somewhere like here. So expanding double brackets. Don't be scared, people. Don't be scared, man. I'm telling you now, don't be scared. It's okay. It's all right. Okay. So expanding double brackets, how are we going to do this? So basically what we're going to do, we're going to times everything that is in one bracket by everything that is in the other bracket. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to times everything that is in, if you want to say this is bracket 1, we're going to times everything that's in bracket 1 by everything that's in bracket 2. Okay, and this is how we're going to do it. Again, we're going to use our little arrows just to help us out. So we're going to times this x. Oh, my pen's done it again, guys. It's done it again. It's changed. So we're going to multiply this x by 2. I'm also going to multiply the x by the x. I'm also going to multiply the 3 by the x, and also the 3 by the 2, the positive 2, okay? So if you see what I'm doing here, guys, I'm multiplying the x by the 2, and I'm also multiplying the x by the x, and I'm multiplying the 3 by the 2 and the 3 by the x. Okay, so don't worry, after a few examples we'll be able to get to understand this. So x times x is going to give us x squared. X times positive 2 is going to give us a positive 2x. Then we're going to do 3 times a positive 3 times the x is going to give us a positive 3x. And then we're going to do the positive 3 times the positive 2 is going to give us a positive 6. Okay, and this then can now be simplified. Okay, so it can be simplified. We'll simplify it below. So x squared, we've only got 1x squared, so that just stays as that. Now we've got 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x is going to give us what? It's going to give us 5x, and then we've just got 6 by itself. Lovely. Okay, so expanding this double bracket has given us simplified x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, let's look at another example. So another example would be, let's say we've got, actually I'll divide my page into 2 in a squiggly line like that. Another example, we've got x plus 4 and x plus 5. And let's say on this side we've got x plus 3 and we've got x minus 10. Okay, so again we're going to multiply everything in this bracket by everything in that bracket. Okay, so we're going to do the, I may do it a little bit what I think may be simpler now. Actually, we'll do the x times the x and the x times the positive 5. I'm going to do 4 times the x and the positive 4 times a positive 5. Okay, now I'm going to write down what we get below. I'm going to write it down here. Okay, so x times the x is going to give us x squared. X times the positive 5 is going to give us plus 5x. And then we move on to the 4 now. Positive 4 times x is going to give us a positive 4x. Positive 4 times the positive 5 is going to give us a positive 20. Okay, now we can simplify it. So we've got x squared plus 5x plus 4x is going to give us 9x, and just a plus 20 at the end. Okay, lovely. Now we're going to move on to this one. So again, we're going to do the x times the x and the x times the negative 10. and we're going to do the plus 3 times the x, and the positive 3 times the negative 10. Okay, so let's do it again here. So x times the x is going to give us x squared. X times the negative 10 is going to give us a negative 10x. And 3 times the positive 3 times x is going to give us positive 3x. And positive 3 times negative 10 is actually going to give us a negative 30. Okay, now we can simplify our expression. So we've only got 1x squared. So we've got 10 minus 10x plus 3x. So think about it, you're at minus 10 on the number line, and then you're going to go up by 3. So that's going to give us a negative 7x. And then we've got the, oh, did I write a positive 30? That should be a negative, sorry. Yeah, that should be, let me just scribble that out. That should be a negative 30 at the end, okay? Lovely, beautiful. Okay, so that's another few examples done for you. Let's do one more. So let's go again. Lovely. So again, we've got x, take away 3, and we've got x, take away 5, and then we've got x, take away 4, and x take away 2, plus 2. Let's have plus 2. Okay, so again we do the x times the x, and x times the negative 5, and we do the negative 3 times the x, and the negative 3 times the negative 5. So we do x times the x is going to give us x squared. Then we're going to do the x times the negative 5 is going to give us a negative 5x, and we're going to do minus negative 3 times the x is going to give us a negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 5, and negative times the negatives actually gives you a positive 15. Okay, so we're going to simplify it now. X squared negative 5 take away negative 3 is going to give us a negative 8x. Okay, and we just have the positive 15 there. Okay, now let's look at this example. So we've got x times x and x times positive 2, and we've got minus 4 times x and minus 4 times positive 2. Okay, so x times x again is going to give us x squared, and we've got x times a positive 2 is going to give us positive 2x. Lovely. And then we've got the negative 4 times the x is going to give us a negative 4x, and negative 4 times the positive 2 is going to give us a negative 8. Lovely. So let's simplify our expression. So x squared, so we've got a plus 2x here, take away 4x. So obviously our negative expression is bigger than our positive expression, so therefore we know we're going to get a negative expression. It's going to be a negative 2x, and then we've just got a negative 8 at the end. Okay, well guys, I hope you really enjoyed that today. If you didn't understand it, you can leave comments below asking me to explain it again, or you can just re-watch the video again. So thank you for tuning in to Paul Maths Labs, and I hope you guys have a lovely rest of the day. Take it easy and take care. See you guys later.